All right, we got Ryan Rutherford here, winner of the men's 1600 meter. Ryan, so what do you think about your 432, 433 indoor?
It's pretty good. Parlett was going to lead it out in a 2:15, and it started out good, but it dropped a little the second lap. So I decided I'd try and step in and take a bit more control, and I did. And then I got back up a little, and then I think in the I don't know, what would be the third lap if it was the full track, I kind of slowed a bit. Then I picked up again with the kick, so I got pretty close to what I wanted. So,
what did you think about Zach Justice of Pontiac hanging on your shoulder?
I didn't
Worried
know who was
about?
behind me. I knew someone was because I could hear him breathing, but I just figured it was him. And then I glanced one time. I was like, okay, that's not green. And then on the last lap, I saw the shoes starting to come around right here, so I was like, oh, I better speed up, so I did that.
Yeah, it actually looked like he was trying to move in on you from the inside.
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh, there's not a lot of room there. Thanks. And
that was a surprise. Justice came out.
I just kicked full out after that.
Great.
Times? Yeah, that's it. Okay.
All right. Well,
Playing for president.